Hi guys.
Hi everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We are back for 2025 and today we're talking about the Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show. Yes, I did get it in the right order. That is in February, so it's coming up in just a couple of weeks' time from now. Stay tuned.
Yes, that's right. It only seems like 5 minutes ago that we were at the NEC doing the one in October.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, they come round, this time of year, they come round really quickly. And then after the one in February, you're kind of waiting ages for the October one to come round.
Yeah, that one is a long time coming.
Hey, so we're going to do our usual. We've got a map here that we've marked up. We're going to comment on a few things as we have a bit of a look around this map together. Apologies, we've been away from the channel for a little while. Conscious it's been probably, 3 or 4 weeks since we posted a video.
It's probably been a little more than that, hasn't it? So
sorry
Christmas
about
break, New Year break, my birthday, more importantly,
Yes.
with a little bit of celebrations
Yes.
sprinkled on top.
They don't need to know about that.
And we're back.
And we're back. We are back, and we're really looking forward to sorting out some new content. We've got good ideas, lots of fingers in pies with good content coming. But today we are talking about the show. So this is, as Sarah said, the CCM show. Caravan, I have to read it. Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show 25. I don't know why I have to read it. We've been to it so many times before.
Well, it's because the October one is named differently, so they omit camping from the
Motorhome and Caravan
October show. Yeah,
MC
so it's
show.
the MC show in October.
Let's
So
not
this
confuse
one,
things.
personally, I prefer. And I prefer it because it's got that bit more of a camping edge to
Yeah.
it, rather than necessarily down more of the caravan and motorhome
Yeah,
kind of route. So
I agree. There's more gadget this one.
bit more
I-
gadge,
yeah.
bit more smaller things to see, rather than just being populated with the really big players.
I think the other thing about this particular show as well, because it's in February, we've all been kind of hunkered down over winter time. It's not a brilliant time in the UK to go camping, using your motorhome, using your campervan, all that stuff. We get
Perfectly
that.
possible
Perfectly
too,
possible.
but-
It's not the best. Mind you, our summers aren't the best either, but, February time, you're starting to look forward to what you're going to do in summer. So I think it
Mr.
feels a bit more kind of, yes, we're getting there.
Yes.
So this is the 18th to the 23rd of February. So it starts on a Tuesday, finishes on a Sunday. If you want tickets, I had a quick look before doing this video, and they're all still available for all days, which is quite rare actually.
I think you have to buy it for a specific day as well. It
You do.
isn't just a day
That's
and then
right,
rock up
you
when
do.
you fancy. So they
thir-
do sell out.
They do. £13 a ticket. That might be why they haven't sold out yet. So
I
it's
just thought they were more like a tenner.
Well, it's 13.
Okay, it's gone up then.
£13.
Happy days.
ccmshow.co.uk if you want to have a look at those and book tickets and all that kind of stuff. And there is this map and all of the exhibitors and everything are all on the website.
Yeah.
So anyway, let's have a think about what's going to be really good at this show.
So there's 5 halls, by the look of it, in a
Yep.
nice big kind of
horseshoe
shape
Yep.
around one of the foyers. They don't tell you necessarily which hall it is, I don't think.
hall 1 to hall 5.
Oh, okay. So it definitely is that. I didn't know whether it was like going to be 19 to 24.
That's the other
something.
one. So the other show is in a different
That's
set
where
of
I'm
halls.
getting
Yeah, no,
confused then.
you know,
Okay, yeah.
see?
So
Yeah. First things first, if you are interested in the new Volkswagen California, you might have seen lots of videos about it, lots of previews, lots of stuff from abroad, loads of other reviewers have had a look at them and everything else. If you want to see one in the flesh,
are Volkswagen there, Will?
no, they're not.
Oh,
Hang on, don't switch off yet. There is going to be one there. There is going to be one there, and it's going to be on the Camper Vantastic stand. So Steve at Camper Vantastic emailed me a couple of days ago and he said, big scoop, he's going to have one there and he's going to have it sat next to a T6.1 Ocean as well.
ooh,
So if
good
you're
bit
in
of
that
compare
kind
and
of,
contrast.
do I go for a 6.1 Ocean? Do I go for the new one?
Yeah.
Not really sure. Get down and see Camper Vantastic. It's going to be like an absolute honeypot, that stand.
That stand is going to be busy.
It's going to be really busy. So, yeah, make sure you get down and see them. We're definitely going to go down and see them. We're going to try and sneak in a little bit early so we can get some footage of the van to share with you before it starts being descended on by everybody. Because, whether you've looked at those YouTube reviews and videos online and stuff and think, oh, I'm not sure about that for me, you're still going to look at it, aren't you? If you go to the show, you're still going to look at it because you want to see it in the flesh, much
Yes.
like we do. We want to
poke around,
we want to
open some
open all
drawers,
the drawers.
all the drawers, move all the seats around.
Yeah. So yes, definitely going to have a look
So
at
where
that.
is Steve at Camper Vantastic then?
He is in Hall 4.
Hall 4.
Yes,
Okay.
so do check that out.
Yeah.
He always shares a stand with, I can't remember, is it Kayam or there's another company I think he shares it with. So it's a big one though.
Whereabouts in Hall 4 is he
So
then?
make sure that you get down to Hall 4.
Bang in the middle.
Yeah, so have a look for that. Adria could be interesting this year.
Okay, tell me why.
If you've got deep pockets and you're after a 4-wheel drive and you're after a Mercedes campervan, not a motorhome, Mercedes campervan, 4-wheel drive, and you like the Adria style.
But what's this?
Adria style. They are going to have their super twin.
Oh,
which,
okay. What makes it super, the 4-wheel drive?
The fact that it's a Merc and it's 4-wheel drive, yeah.
With a super big price tag.
Now, Europe have already seen this. It's been over there. I think this is the first show. I couldn't find it at the October show.
No, we did try and look.
We did try. I think this is going to be the first show in the UK they'll have shown that van at. It's going to be mega money, easily well into 6 figures. So you've got to have really deep pockets. However, I'm really excited to have a look at it because they do make lovely vans.
Was it the Adria Twin Max?
Twin Max is the
was the one that we went to see.
That's the one on the
this time last year, wasn't it?
Is it on the MAN or the Crafter? I can't remember that. It's basically one of those.
And that was 130 something, wasn't it?
Something like
I think so. Yeah, brace yourself.
It's going to be mega.
But certainly worth a good look at.
Yeah, if you want to spend, I don't know, 130 to 150k on a camper van, have a look at it. It could be the one for you.
Yeah.
The other usual players are going to be there at the show. So Loudhams will be there. They'll no doubt, I haven't spoken to Loudhams about what they're taking, but they sell Swift, they sell Heimer, they sell Ariba. There's kind of a endless set of franchises which they seem to hold. So do get down to their stand. It's a big one. And I suspect it might be the only place you'd see an Ariba if you're looking at the Ariba car camper van. It might be that they're taking their one that they have in their showroom normally. It might be that's going down there. But they sell Heimer and stuff as well. And so definitely worth a look. Wanderhome are going to be there. With the Westphalias. So you'd get to see the Sven if you want to have a look at one of those.
Sven.
New Sven.
So that was at
I don't know. I don't know whether Wanderhome have got a new Sven yet or not.
Well, the one that went to the show last year, that was their kind of demo, wasn't it? So wasn't it left-hand drive?
Yeah. So then, I don't know. I haven't had time to speak to Wanderhome and find out what there's going to be.
But there'll be a good collection of Westphalia vans on that stand anyway, if that's something that you're interested in.
Always is. What else have we got?
Bailey. So there's a massive Bailey stand, isn't there, as well?
Yeah, and again, the range of camper vans that Bailey have started doing, 4 different ones now. In the October show, they had all 4 out, so you can look at all the different layouts and everything. I'm sure they'll do the same again on this one.
That was a really good stand, actually, because they'd got them all set out in a box kind of formation, so you could literally go from one to the other all the way around and see the differences, which was nice.
Really like the Bailey Endeavour. It's definitely worth a good look at that. The Now stand is there, so again, if you're looking at a Weinsberg or a Naus or anything like that, that's there as well. Again, amazing German converter and manufacturer, definitely worth looking at that.
What about the smaller ones then?
Smaller ones, you've got all of your usual suspects there. So Hillside, who was the other one? Dirty Weekender are there. Do you remember that one from a year ago? Oh, my word. That was a proper showstopper.
Cactus?
Absolutely. Cactus are there. Yeah. And I've got a sneaking suspicion Cactus might have something new on their stand this year, because they did say last year at the show that they were trying to do a new demo model and things. So, and you know what they're like with innovation, like with the different roof thing and all the, so
that's exciting.
Could be quite exciting to have a look at that. If you're not big on camper van or you can't stretch to having a camper van or anything like that, Tent Box and Opus are there. So Tent Box, I'm sure you've seen people driving around with them. You stick it on the roof of your car. Obviously a tent in a box that you sleep in.
Hope it comes with a ladder.
I think they do.
That's all right.
So do check those out. And Opus are the trailer tents. But don't think trailer tent from the 70s. We're talking trailer tent in the modern era, and they do
21st century trailer
yes.
tent. Okay.
So all air beams, all electric.
Nice.
They do an off-road version, a bit like an Aussie style one. They do a UK, like a non kind of hardened, toughened version.
Okay,
There's
yeah.
all sorts. And they got like semi-fitted furniture inside and everything. All beautiful canvas. Definitely check those out.
Okay.
So yeah, lots to see and lots of
Definitely
different
want
things
to go
for
and have a
everyone.
look at that then.
Well,
Yes.
I think because of where their stand is, you see it's right there. It's right in between two.
Oh, Hall 4 and
halls.
Hall 5.
And
That's
I
between.
think they constantly have one going up and down. So if you want to stand
Yeah.
there
Oh,
and
yes,
watch it
yeah,
go up and then
right.
watch it go back down again, that's basically what I mean.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to buy that one used because it's going to be
It's going to need to have a good warranty with it.
gonna-
It's like that chair in IKEA that's got the mechanical kind of
Yeah.
thing, just sort of testing it permanently.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. But yeah, if you want to see one of those, go and have a look because yeah, they're really fantastic. Clearly, if you're in the market for an awning or a normal tent, it is the camping show as well. So normal tents, awnings, anything like that.
Chairs. Tend to find a huge
accessories,
range of all of the kind of chairs and
tables.
tables and things.
Oh.
I know Van Gogh have got things like their heated chairs
Yep.
that you'll probably be able to sit in and have a feel
So-
of and see what they're like.
Yeah, so Coleman, Outwell, Outdoor Revolution, Van Gogh, you know, they just go Camper, Quest. It
Yeah.
just goes on
One
and
after
on
another
and
after
on.
another. You know, whether it's a cool box that you're after or an actual fridge or just a mug, flask, something like
Speaking
that.
of which,
wine glasses, the
One
lot.
of the stands I'm going to have to keep you off is the Yeti stand because I don't think our house can cope with any more things from Yeti.
This is coming from the man who literally about 3 or 4 weeks ago bought a new one that's absolutely ginormous. And
too-
I've got no idea how on earth he manages to drink that volume of tea on his way to work in the
I bought
morning.
it to drink tea on the way to work, and
It keeps the tea so hot you can't drink it anyway.
no, it's too heavy. It makes my arm ache. So I tend to use the smaller one now. I might have to use that one in the van because I can put it down on something. Right, so a couple of quick tips then if you are thinking about going to the show. We've mentioned these in other videos, preview videos to the show. Do wear comfy shoes.
Yes.
You'll do a lot of walking. It's
Don't
quite
worry,
big.
walking.
5 halls doesn't sound like a lot, but they're big halls.
And depending on where they park you, so it's free
Yeah.
parking at the
You
NEC.
can
There will
walk.
be a shuttle bus, but you can
You can
walk.
walk.
Sometimes it's a short walk, sometimes a long walk.
And if you've got any money left, you could go to the shopping centre next door at the NEC, but we never do that. Do
But
we?
yeah, sturdy, comfy shoes,
Yeah.
definitely. Take a packed lunch,
Yes.
unless you are willing to hand over a substantial amount of cash to have the pleasure of sitting in the restaurant stroke
For what is
cafe.
basically mediocre food, let's be honest.
It is quite mediocre. Sorry, NEC, but it is quite mediocre and it is not cheap in any way, shape or
So
form.
definitely worth taking water/drinks, food, comfy shoes.
Yeah.
And finally, you should really try and leave your credit cards at home because it's extremely tempting. There is so much stuff. If you love camping, caravanning, motorhomes, all that stuff,
Yeah.
this is one of the 2 shows of the year that you really should be going to if you possibly can because there is just so much to see.
Yeah.
So
I think
much.
probably the only other thing to add is, as per usual, the Caravan and Motorhome Club. So if you happen to be a member of that club, they'll be setting up a campsite there this year, which is one of the temporary ones.
Yes.
It's in a car park, so it's not a normal campsite in terms of the facilities and things
Hope
that
it's
you
dry.
can expect to normally see on one of the Caravan and Motorhome Club sites. It's not cheap, particularly either for that fact, but if you're going for 2-3 nights or you've got a long distance to travel, check it out. Obviously, I say it's just in a car park, but yeah, it's easier than commuting up there every day.
There's loads of hotels around and stuff as well. Check those out. They might be fully booked by now. It's a really popular show,
Yeah,
but
true.
do have a look and see. Yeah, and we're going to go on the Wednesday, aren't we, this year?
Yes, so if you see us, say hello. Feel free to
hello.
say hello. Yeah,
Yes.
give us a tap on the shoulder or a wave. Love meeting people, and we'll hopefully have enough stickers with us to do some handing out if you'd like a sticker.
Maybe even a pen this year.
Ooh.
Really pushing the boat
We are
out.
pushing the boat out. So, but also feel free to tell us any ideas of any other merch that you might like us to carry around rather than just stickers and pens, because we're not the most imaginative of people. So if it's something easy for us to order, then we shall do so.
We shall. Right,
Yes.
time for us to go indoors. My nose is about to drip because it's about -2 outside. It's actually, it's bright, but it's really cold.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll disappear back inside. We'll see you at the show if you're there on the Wednesday. Have a great show if you're going on a different day. Let us know what you spot when we publish up our video in due course.
Yeah.
Catch you soon.
See you soon.